Welcome to my crazy kitchen. What am I up to? Well, I've just found a load of apples growing locally. Spoke to the caretaker. He said take as many as you like because they literally just fall on the floor. No one ever eats them. And he just ends up having to clear them up. So he's very happy that I'm taking them away. What I'm going to do is something like I did last year, and which is to make dried, spicy, sweet, dried apple rings. They are really delicious, trust me. So what I've done is, first of all, I've taken out the cores with this crazy little gadget here, and the centre bits plus any other bits that I haven't managed to cut very well or just too small, whatever. So all the offcuts basically go into here, and I will make apple cider vinegar from that. The actual cores, what I've done is I've added the spice mix, which is here. You can add whatever spices you like, but in my particular case I like black salt and chili. Very often I'll add turmeric and a few other things, but in this particular case all I've got is black salt and turmeric, black salt and chili. And quite literally I'll just put it onto the actual, I'll just sprinkle it on, and then just kind of, with a nice clean finger obviously, just kind of rub it in so that it doesn't fall off when I put it into my dryer. And let's go off and show you the dryer. So here is my homemade solar dryer. It's really simple. It just has a black box with some glass on it, and there's a gap here at the top, so, and a gap here as well. So as this heats, hot air accumulates in here, it creates a draft up here, and then whatever's hanging above it dries out. And I will turn it around so it's facing the sun, and in my experience it takes about a day, sometimes 2, maximum 3 days to actually dry out, even with minimum amount of sun. And basically what you do is you literally just need to make sure that they're not touching each other. They'll start to curl up because obviously I've left the skin on, and the skin dries at a different, doesn't expand at the same rate as or doesn't contract as much as the flesh, so they'll kind of contort a little bit. And what you want to do is make sure the air gets all the way around it so that it doesn't start going mouldy. So quite literally just every day just separate them, and that's it. 3-4 days later you have really nice, tasty, spicy, sweet apple cores.